You're about ready to step inside one of Classica's most beloved floor plans, the Napa. With over 4,700 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space, crafted to be deeply personal and serene. Before we go inside, notice the architecture. Classica offers 4 distinct styles with the Napa floor plan: the modern farmhouse, the beautiful American cottage, a French cottage, and the craftsman exterior. Each one tells a different story. You choose the one that feels the most like you. Now, let's go on inside. Open the front door and pause. That moment when you first step in and the entire home opens before you is something Classica engineers into every single floor plan. The 2-story foyer greets you with a curved staircase and hardwoods that stretch forward. Natural light pours into the space. You know immediately this home is different. As you enter, you'll find the salon. With Classica, nothing is one-dimensional. This incredible space could be a second office, maybe a music room, or a wine room. It literally transforms with the different stages of life that you go through. And then the great room. The ceiling vaults up. Incredible design and architecture. 20 by 19 feet of gathering space. This is where the days actually happen. Watch the doors slide away. Inside becomes outside, a seamless transition. This isn't an add-on. The covered outdoor living is included in every Classica floor plan. Let's spend a minute in one of Classica Homes' signature spaces because it deserves it. The covered outdoor living area is not an afterthought. It's a fully designed room. With the optional luxury outdoor living room, this space grows even further. Look up to the vaulted ceiling. Add a fireplace, skylights, heaters, a motorized screen. So many choices that makes this a year-round outdoor living area not just possible, but irresistible. Our homeowners tell us over and over that they utilize this gorgeous outdoor covered living space 365 days year-round. Maybe it's to watch and host the big game, to gather around the dining room table, or just sit by the fire after a long day. It's truly a way to be and live inspired. And back in the house, the kitchen, and it does not disappoint. As beautiful as it is functional, this amazing island seats 6 comfortably, acting as a natural gathering space into the celebration dining room. And this is where it gets really exciting. Classica Homes has a partnership with Queen City Appliance, where you get to choose all your appliances for your home, and Classica customizes all the cabinetry to make it custom for you. This is where your vision comes to life. Behind the kitchen is a spectacular flex space. Maybe you add a prep sink to create a scullery, or a second dishwasher, and a coffee bar, or a butler's pantry, or turn this space into a luxury pantry and a workspace. The choice is yours. The dining room sits just off the kitchen. The light pours in on all 3 sides of the room. Add custom cabinetry or multi-stack sliding doors. This space can be used for every occasion. A private study near the entry, or with one simple structural change, a guest suite with its own bath. The room adjusts so you don't have to. And now for the most coveted feature of the Napa floor plan, the first floor primary suite, accessed by a long private hallway that separates it from the rest of the home. It's a genuine retreat. The primary suite is grand, light-filled, and serene. Homeowners love choosing the box bay window option and looking up at the architectural detail of the tray ceiling. And what rounds out this amazing room is the spa bath. Your daily luxury, featuring dual vanities with generous counter space, multiple options for designing the bath, with a freestanding tub or a luxury shower. The choice is yours. And here in the primary closet, we ask, what is behind the door? Everybody loves the convenience of a laundry room in their primary closet. Up the beautiful staircase, there are options for 3 or 4 more bedrooms, each with a walk-in closet. And Classica has a partnership with Lee Lighting where you will go and get to choose all of the lighting for your entire home. It's just one more way to customize your Classica home. This Napa features 2 more bedrooms upstairs, including a second primary suite, perfect for multi-generational living or guests. The bonus room is a destination space designed to be utilized for every stage of life. You could enclose it and make it a media or a theater room, or how about a wet bar? The choice is yours. And tucked into the hall, a built-in tech space. Small, simple, exactly where the family actually needs it. What sets the Napa apart isn't just what comes standard. It's the remarkable degree to which you can customize the structure of the home and the finishes. This isn't a checklist of upgrades, it's the bones of the home. You direct the spaces. Rooms reimagined, details rethought until the plan fits the life you're building. This is a custom home without the wait. Thank you for touring the Napa with us today. We hope you can see exactly what makes this floor plan so beloved. You can build this spectacular plan in one of Classica's communities, or bring it home to your very own lot, or on one of Classica's estate lots. This home is ready to be all that you imagined it to be.